Hey there, mister.
This bit of fashion playing on the balcony. Wow! This is a chance. Here you go.
Oh, you're a kid.
What kind of a hero?
No, everyone can be a hero. By the way, do you do better than your own?
Yeah, my first ball. By the way, are you an English teacher?
Well, not an English teacher yet. I'm just a cool learner for both teachers and students. So what are you gonna do with it?
I bring it to my lab.
Alright, so I'll give your hand.
Thanks!
Anytime. This thing never works. I suppose it'd be better to tie it with a rope here.
Alright, if you're ready, sit down!
Fine. I gotta have a seat.
That was calling soft and low. I hear that magic, I'll never know. The wind speaks but keeps his go.